In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 10 corrupted files. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you're experiencing some software issues on your PC, such as programs crashing unexpectedly or your computer running slower than usual. Corrupted files can often be the culprit, and the good news is there's a straightforward way to check and fix these issues using built-in Windows tools. Let's dive in. To start, we need to open Windows PowerShell with administrative privileges. This will allow us to run powerful commands that will scan and potentially repair any corrupted system files. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard. This will bring up the Start menu, the Launchpad for accessing applications, settings, and a host of other features on your system. Once the Start menu appears, simply begin typing PowerShell. The search feature will immediately start filtering through your installed programs and settings. You should quickly see Windows PowerShell come up as one of the options. Instead of just clicking on it, we want to ensure PowerShell runs with administrative privileges. To do this, hover over Windows PowerShell in the search results and right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu providing several actions you can perform. From this menu, select Run as Administrator. You might be prompted with a User Account Control dialog. If that's the case, just click Yes to proceed. This step is crucial because running PowerShell as an administrator will enable you to execute the necessary repair commands. With PowerShell now open, you'll see a window with a blue background and a text-based interface. Here we're going to enter a specific command that initiates a system scan. Type in sfc scanno and hit enter. Let's break that down. SFC stands for System File Checker, and the mascano is an argument that tells the utility to scan all protected system files and replace corrupted files with a cached copy found in a compressed folder. This process might take some time, possibly up to several minutes, depending on your system's speed. As the scan runs, you can keep an eye on its progress directly within the PowerShell window. It will attempt to fix any problems it encounters along the way. Once the scan completes, you'll receive a message stating whether any integrity violations were found and repaired. If the scan did find and fix corrupted files, you should notice an improvement in your system's performance and stability. And that's it. You've successfully scanned and attempted to repair any corrupted files on your Windows 10 PC. Remember, if Windows PowerShell reports that some issues were not fixed, you might need to look into more advanced repair options or consider a visit to a professional technician for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.